Imagine making money while you sleep, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Sounds too good to be true? Well, today I'll show you the best AI-powered passive income ideas that require zero investment. From content creation to automation, AI is opening doors for everyone to earn online effortlessly. So stick around till the end because you don't want to miss these game-changing methods. Bar 1. AI-generated YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face or even record a voiceover. With AI tools like ChatGPT for script writing, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Runway ML for video creation, you can launch a fully automated YouTube channel in any niche: finance, motivation, or even storytelling. 2. AI blog writing and medium earnings. Blogging is still a goldmine, and AI makes it easier than ever. Use ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate high-quality articles, then publish them on platforms like Medium, which pays writers based on views. No website needed, just write, post, and earn. 3. AI-generated audiobooks and podcasts. Turn AI-written content into audiobooks using PlayHT or 11 Labs, then sell them on platforms like Audible or Google Play. Or start an AI-generated podcast and monetize through sponsorships. 4. Selling AI-generated designs and art. Even if you're not an artist, AI can do the work for you. Use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate digital art and sell it on Etsy, Redbubble, or Shutterstock. 5. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Create AI chatbots or automated blogs that recommend affiliate products. Use AI-generated content to attract traffic and earn commissions on platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. AI is the future, and it's making passive income easier than ever. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI money-making ideas.